Interesting, small size and portability are the reasons why we like little drones, but sometimes we may get annoyed with the battery life. Today we are gonna review this JJRC H345. Compared it to the others, it's not a drone but two drones, which could solve a problem with a battery. If one's dead, take out the other one. Inside the box, there are two drones, a transmitter, charging cable, user manual, and a QR code. It's an AI game that you can play when getting bored. Flying is similar to the little other drones, which has functions like Headless Mode, 1-key return, and 3D flips. And it's easy to control. Last but not least, the speed of the 3D flips is fast and you will love it. To sum up, I would say it's a nice toy. Nice looking, foldable design, and easy to control. The drones have a built-in battery. To charge it, just need to plug the cable, simple. Two drones can extend your flying time to around 12 minutes. Now it's only $28. Worth or not, you're welcome to drop down some comments or join our poll. Thanks for watching and see you next time.